In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw from your MetaMask wallet. We'll walk through sending crypto out of your wallet using MetaMask's portfolio interface, and I'll share tips to keep your funds safe along the way. Start by opening your browser and going to the official MetaMask portfolio site at portfolio.metamask.io. Make sure the URL is correct before you proceed. If you're prompted to connect your wallet, approve the connection so the site can display your accounts and balances. On the portfolio home screen, look for the Move Crypto option. This section gathers the tools you need to move funds out of your wallet. Click it to open the transfer options, then choose Send. This brings up the simple send flow. In the Send From field, select the account and the network you're withdrawing from. This matters a lot. The network you choose must match the network your recipient expects. For example, if the destination is expecting funds on Ethereum, make sure you're sending on Ethereum and not another chain. Network choice also determines the gas fee you'll pay. Next, paste the recipient's wallet address into the Send to field. Always double check every character of the address and be sure it's compatible with the network you selected. If you're sending to an exchange, confirm the deposit network shown on that platform matches what you've picked here. When in doubt, contact that platform's support and verify before sending. Now, select the asset you want to withdraw. Pick the exact token you intend to send and ensure it exists on the network you're using. If the token appears on multiple networks, choose the version that matches your send from network to avoid a failed or lost transfer. Enter the amount you'd like to send. Keep in mind you'll need a little of the network's native token to cover gas fees, so don't drain your balance to zero. If this is your first time sending to this address, consider starting with a small test amount to confirm everything arrives as expected. When you're ready, click Send to proceed. Review the summary carefully. Check the sender account, network, recipient address, asset amount, and the estimated gas fee. Confirm the transaction in your wallet. You'll see the transfer move to a pending state, then complete once it's confirmed on the blockchain. Timing depends on network congestion. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn from your MetaMask wallet. Remember, blockchain transactions are final, so taking a moment to verify details before you send is the best way to keep your crypto safe.